Retired policewoman crushed to death by truck on Spur Tree Hill main road.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A retired policewoman died on Saturday, August 11, in a motor vehicle crash along the Spur Tree Hill main road in Manchester. The deceased has been identified as 62-year-old Paulette Mullings of a Portmore St. Catherine address. Reports are that the accident occurred while she was returning home from a visit to friends and relatives in St. Elizabeth. Indications are that shortly after 2 p.m, a cement mixer truck was being driven down the steep hill when it developed excess speed. And in an effort by the driver to bank the vehicle on the right side of the roadway where the hillsides are located, the body of the truck became dislodged from the cab of the vehicle and ended up crashing into Mullins' car and crushing it with her inside. Miss Mullins was cut from the wreckage after the mixer was removed and taken to the Mandeville Hospital where she was pronounced dead. The driver of the truck was also taken to the hospital for checks on his injuries and was treated and released. The incident resulted in a pileup of traffic along the roadway as the authorities conducted the overall operation along the roadway. The Spur Tree Hill main road is notorious for a tragic motor vehicle accident over the years, especially involving out-of-control heavy-duty vehicles.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.